Hello viewer. Well, I promised you a quick sort of update on where things stand, and where things stand is mainly in boxes at the moment on the floor, on furniture that's in the wrong place. Sorry about the shaky cam, sorry about the bad sound, my lab mic's in a box somewhere. And here we go. I think it's very important to make sure you've always got your legal lettering in place. So here we are in the new hobby room. Apologies for the sound, my lav mic is in a box somewhere. But I'll just take a short video to accompany the photographs so that you get a feel for this. Quite a large room, this actually. It's about 12 foot by 16, so it's quite large. Doesn't look it necessarily on camera, but things are starting to take shape. And as you unpack more and more boxes, which you always unpack in the wrong order, by the way, no matter how much you've planned. But yeah, hopefully next week we'll have a much more update video and give you a clue as to how things are going to go. I mean, none of this furniture yet is where I'm going to keep it. It's just a question of how it was dumped in here. Don't ask, that's her indoors is responsible for that. But yeah, there we are. I mean, it's just ongoing and will be ongoing. That sink has to go. As lovely as it is to have a sink in the hobby room, it is very useful, but that's going to be in the way of the railway, so that has to come out. And yeah, it's just, well, just a work in progress, isn't it? Thanks for your time as ever. We do appreciate it, and hopefully next Sunday you'll get a more serious update on where things stand. Take care. Bye-bye.